Yan, busy ang family. So, we're preparing our table.
The whole day, I just call you, okay?
Yeah. Kasi nga, ang kakainin namin ngayon ay seafood. So, madudumihan tong table. So, yan. Ang ginagawa nila is tatakpan na lang nila ng plastic yan. And then, ganito lang ang handa namin this year. Puro bili. So, ipa-set up ko lang ito mamaya kay Dexy dito sa mga lagayan namin. And then, we have a cake. Ayan. And then, start na din akong magluto pang dinner namin. So, binili ko tong corn sa Costco. Nakat na ba to? Maliliit talaga na corn. Yan. And then, may hipon din dito. So, ayan. Frozen to actually. Ayan. Frozen tong nabili namin na hipon, hindi fresh. Anong ginawa nyo dito? Nakarami na? Yan, open natin to. Yan. So, while preparing our food, ganitong ginagawa nila. And lagyan lang daw nila ng ganito.
Two more, look.
Two more?
Two more.
Dexy? Yeah. Ayan. Busy ang family mag-prepare ng ganito. Ayan. Okay. So, lulutuin na natin. Start na tayo ng magluto ng mais. Ayan. So, start na tayo dito.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine.
So, ayan yung binili namin sa Costco. 59 something ata to. So, dalawa lang to. And then, dalawa din tong crabs. Which is 45 din siya. Ayan. And then, yung ganito din nila sa Costco. Frozen to, I mean. Ayan, 34 din siya. Then, itong shells, nagagawa din kami nito. Ayan, just a simple dinner for tonight. Ayan, so si Dexy nag-arrange na ng aming dessert here. Yeah. And then, nagpapakulo na ako ng mais. Ayan, so magagawa na ako ng sauce.
Hello.
Si Dexa kasi nandito nangingialam siya. So, ayusin namin to. Binili namin sa Costco na to. Last year kasi ano to buhay, kaya natutuwa si Dex ang tingnan. Dexa, this one, no? Dexo! Yeah. Ang lalaki eh, no? Ayan, no? So, titimplahin lang. Inugasan ko lang siya. Although, I think luto na kasi ito eh. Pero for the sake of, inugasan ko lang siya. Ayan. Ayan, dalawa ngayon. And then, malalaki din tong crabs. Dexo! Akala niya buhay pa. Ayan, saglit. Ito, i-placing ko lang ito na. So, titimplahin ko lang to sa garlic, butter, and garlic. Ayan. Okay. Tinanggal ko lang siya. Ayan siya.
I killed it. I killed it.
Oh, yung ano yan. Ito, Dexy.
I don't want to get injured. I'll get injured.
Ito na tayo. Fresh tong natin, hipon. At saka yung mussels na ganito, wala tayong nakuha ng fresh eh. Naka-frozen yan. So, start na tayong magluto. Yan.
So the crab, I killed the crab and I avoided. Avoided. Somebody killed it. Who must do it? We killed the crab.
Ano mo si Dexa?
I hope I'm not injured.
Enjoy?
I hope I'm not injured. When I did this, my hand cracked.
Ooh.
oh. How about Dexa? Dexa, what are you doing?
Nagpe-prepare daw siya na.
Oh. Merry Christmas! Oh, grabe. May presentation pa, oh.
Ano yung sauce natin? Alam nyo ba? This year, tinakbo ba ni Daddy to? Saan ka nakakuha?
Shoppers.
Sa dami nang nangyayari sa buhay namin, guys.
Buti lang bukas pa.
Nakalimutan namin
8:30.
8:30 na ng gabi. Nakalimutan namin ang Sprite. Oh my God. Ganun ka. Life. Ganun ka ang life namin.
Dexa! Merry Christmas, Dexa. Do you like your gift?
Yeah, do you like your gift, Daddy said?
Which one is the best one?
The globe and
The
the,
globe?
Barbie.
Barbie?
Yeah, the globe and the Barbie.
Who gave you the globe?
Smell gift.
Who gave you the globe?
You and Dada, and I also love Nina and Melvin.
Oh.
Say thank you, Nina. Simple gift makes the kids happy. Ayan. So, konting luto na lang tayo para makakain na. Ilulubog natin mamaya itong mga to. It's time for me to put this hipon. Woo! Dito timer natin ng 5 minutes. Kasi malalaki siya. Kasya naman ata siya eh. Talaga lang na mo pa sarili mo ah. Aray ko. Ayan. Talaga sarili mo siya ha. Ayan ang siya. Yung sauce na mamaya ilubog natin. Crabs. Hindi naman. Yan, laman-laman lang. Yan.
Seafood mukbang. Merry Christmas 2023.
Seafood mukbang.
Seafood.
Ay, wag mo tanggalin lahat yung ano. O, sige, pwede na din yan. Yan. Kasya ba? O isa lang? Isa lang muna, no? Okay, meron pa naman yan eh. Yan. Isa lang siguro muna yung luluto nating crabs. Kung hindi yan kasi marami na din to eh. Yan. So, isa na lang. Marami naman tayong ano. Padaanan lang natin to ng sauce. Then, yung isa din na ganun din. Yan. Tingnan natin. Pwede kong gawin to bukas na for Christmas Day natin.
Ay, may kwan pa siya.
Ay, sorry naman. Naku. Tinatanggal mabuti.
Pusas pa. Pusas pa.
Wala pa yan ba sa'yo? Ayan. So, lagyan na din natin to ng sauce. Tapos na kami dito sa crabs. Biglang ano eh, no? Biglang ayun. Ayan. So, painit lang din siya kasi alam ko cook na to sa Costco eh. So, ayan. Padaanan lang natin siya ng sauce din. Ayan, lagyan lang natin siya ng sauce. Ayan, balik pa rin natin mamaya. Patuluin lang natin to. Ayan, done na tayo sa cooking. So, ewan ko lang kung may nagluluto ng ganito ng lobster. Binuttered ko din siya. Ayan, so ito na. Tapos na. So, ang cake namin this year is sa TNT lang binili. Ayan. Again. Sabi ng mga bata, again. Ayan, so Say Merry Christmas, everybody, guys! So, ito na yung cake na binili namin sa TNT. Yan, so this year, doon lang ulit kami nag-order din kasi doon yung mga may team na cake. Yan.
I'm gonna cut the cake.
Yan. Oh, no! Wag, Dexa! Yan. Cute na cake. Pa ganyan ba siya o pa anong pihaya ata siya? Yan. Yan siya naman. Dexa, tingnan mo yung ginagawa ni Daddy. Ayan si Dexa. Nagulat si Dexa kung alive daw. Dexa, here. Here ka, dito ka muna. Yan. Okay. Yeah. Is that edible?
No.
Okay.
Not edible.
Okay. Yan, lagyan. So, naglalagay si ate ng sauce. So, yan lang ang aming simple handa this Christmas 2023. Yan.
2024.
So, ginawa ni Dex ito. Ang aming cake. Simple cake.
Simple cake with a Christmas decoration.
Yes. And then...
Guys, if you buy this cake, don't eat this.
Ah? Okay.
Don't eat those. Those
Ooh,
are not edible.
edible. Okay. Dexy and Dex sa kitchen. Ayan. Simple dinner ng family for Christmas Eve. It's Noche Buena. Say Happy Noche Buena, everyone.
Happy Noche Buena.
Yeah. Ayan, Daddy. Ang kanin, Daddy. So, Daddy, ang kanin. Pakihanda.
Ito, ano na kailangan to?
Kailangan natin yan. Doon na yan mamaya. Wow, may paganyan-ganyan pa si Daddy this year. Kasi naalala ko yung nung inedit ko ang video natin last year, nag-iisa lang yan.
Nawala pa.
Nawala pa. Hindi na namin mahanap. So, ayan, kain na! Yan, so Roscato tayo ngayon. Wine for Christmas. So, bihira naman akong mag-wine. Yan. So, I think that one is enough.
Eve.
Yeah, for Christmas Eve. Yan. Eto, kumain na siya ng kanin niya. Hoy, Dexa, kumain na. Hindi na nakahintay. Yan. And then, pineapple juice lang kami. And then, the kids also have their pineapple
I
juice.
have to have gloves.
Yeah, and milk kiss. Yes. Okay. Mag-gloves ka mamaya. Okay, let's eat. Eating time, guys. Eating time, Dexa. Say Merry Christmas again.
Merry Christmas.
Oy, bakit parang wala kang gana?
Merry Christmas.
Ayan ang baby ko. Okay, kain na. Let's eat. Start na kumain ng family. Ayan. Kain na.
Hey, Jumbo.
So, Merry Christmas everyone! Enjoy natin ang family time! Masarap ba ang timpla natin this year, guys? Ano masabi nyo? Sobrang tamis?
Opo.
Ang pagmamahal?
Opo.
Enjoy, guys!
Opo. Kumusta?
Nagtagalog ka pa, ha? Okay. Bye! Thank you! Bye, everyone! Time for the lobster! Woo! Yan. Ang laki niyan, ano? Bigyan mo na lang sa mga girls. Yan, if they like it. Yan. Yan. Careful, Daddy. Ano yung nito eh.
I just have a feeling I don't need gloves for some reason.
Ay, sorry. Yeah.
You need it. You need it.
Yeah.
But
You need the gloves, Dexa.
earlier you said I don't need it. It's my choice.
Oh, yan. Uy! Nahati. Uy, bigay mo kay Dexa. Kasi nahati ni Daddy for the girls. Okay? You
There's
can...
blood on it.
Mamaya, meron pa naman yan. Yeah. That's not blood, Dexa. Kagat mo, anak ko.
I
I think
wish
you have to cut this one. Yan ang ginagawa nila ni Daddy. Ulitin kasi nasisira yung itsura niya. Yan. So, ito na. Cut ko na lang yun. Yan yung crabs naman. Let's go to the crabs. Yan. Ayan siya. Ooh! Ayan ang laman niya. Dex, ano? Ayan. Parang hindi ganun kataba, eh, no? Yan, konti lang. O na masobrahan siya ng luto. Merry Christmas! Sarah Strawberry! Hello everyone! Enjoy your Christmas party sa Tugigaraw. And I think sa Cavite, they don't have any party. So we just want to greet you guys, everybody. Mapa Tugigaraw, delegates, Cavite.
Merry Christmas!
Yeah, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas Eve!
Ingat tayo sa mga food. Ayan, ang food nga lang namin is medyo madaming cholesterol to, pero hindi naman namin kinain yung part 9 okay sa amin dito. But the kids can eat. Okay? So Merry Christmas everyone! Thank you!
Cheers!
Enjoy.
Cheers!
Cheers! Cheers guys! Cheers!
Why not your red one?
Time for opening Christmas gift from Steven. Okay.
For the family or for you and me? Okay.
Oh, you and me. For you and me. Okay. Okay. Natak na lang si Dexa. Okay guys, open.
You wanna open it? Thank you, Steven.
Just rip it. Yeah, and then put here yung wrapper. Careful, okay? Your hands. Wow! It's for you and Ate. Wow. Oh, it's a bubbles madness. Wow! Wow! Say thank you, guys. Thank you, Steven, for giving this to Dexy and Dexa. Okay, put it here. Okay, let's open the other one. Give mama this one. Yeah.
Like it from our...
Okay, hold a second. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Steven and family. Okay, open it, guys. Again, yan. So excited tong si Dexa na mag-open ng mga gift eh.
Oh.
Where? Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice too. Ang cute din ng regalo nila sa atin this year, guys. Ayan, oh. Wow. Yan, lagayan ng mga seasoning daddy, oh. It's nice. Yeah, sorry. Lagayan ng seasoning. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Gift for our family. Ayan, so it's a Christmas gift from Armithia family, kila Steven and family. Ayan siya. Ayan. Hindi ko lang nakuhanan kanina. Ayan. Thank you, guys. To Dexy from Riley and Clays too. Okay. Dexy, open your gift. Okay.
Oh, it's in a box.
Yeah. It's in a box. Ooh. Oh, parang ano yan ah. I'm excited with that. Yeah. Okay. Ito, open ni ate. It's from Riley and Clays. Thank you guys for the love for Dexy. Sparkly. Okay. Wow! Ang cute. Ooh! Lagayan natin ng... Yeah, lagayan ng mga makeup. Wow, that's so nice. Yeah, ang cute.
Yeah, designed for yours. Every little elaborate design is meant to show your beauty and this.
Ah, that's for your brush, for your... Ganon? Siya? Oh, that's nice. Spinning. Thank you, Riley and Clays.
Thank you also for this. Oh,
Lalaroin ni Dexa kasi yan. Okay.
thank you.
Gift is from Nicole to Dexy. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. So, nagtanong pa ata si Nicole sa'yo. Sa ano daw ang gusto ba ni Dexy ang ganito? Thank you, Mel, for giving this one to Dexy. Yeah, so wala pang ganito si Dexy. Thank you, guys. Yeah, cargo pants. Thank you, guys, for giving this one to Dexy. Okay. Okay, this is to Dexy and Dexa. Merry Christmas from Gab. Okay, so Gabriel. Surprise! Wow! Nakakita ako ng ano ah. Wow! That's nice. Okay, it's a dress. And this one is... Oh, and jacket. That one is for you for sure. It's for Dexa. And this one is, yeah, this one is for you and this one is for Ate. It's a dress one. Thank you, Gab, for this one. It's time for Dexa to open this one. So, ito yung gusto din nilang regalo namin sa kanila this year. Di na nila nga lang nirap to. But this one is para siyang Dexy, hot compress. You can make it a hot compress or cold compress. Yan. So, may mga instructions siya how to do it. Ayan. So, careful ka, anak, ha? Okay, open, Dexa, and enjoy! Okay, this one na. Okay. Hi, yeah. Whatever you want. Okay? Okay, so the bag. So, ayan. So, ito yung gusto niyang bag this year. So, parang once a year ka lang bumibili ng bag, anak. So, binilan namin siya sa Coach. Ayan. So, ayan. I-model mo nga. Ayan. So, maraming,
like this, or if I remove the strap,
oh, if it is a dress, you can put like that kapag ka medyo sporty ang dating mo. Ayan siya. Wow. Gusto mo yan? Yeah, mga cargo pants, ganun. Okay. Okay.
Other gift.
Yeah, ang pinakahihintay niyang gift. So, ayan. Ganda ng gift mo, Dexy. Okay, ang pinakahihintay niya na buksan. Kasi gusto niya nang gamitin. Kasi nagdadalaga na si Dexy. So, marami na siyang gustong gawin sa buhok niya. It's Dyson Era. Ayan. So, kailangan mong i-search, anak, kung paano gamitin. Yeah, of course. Scissors. Oh, yan. So, unboxing this one.
I think it's, what color is this? I think it's like rose gold and this really pretty blue.
So, ito lagayan niya?
Yeah.
Ang laki pala ng package niya.
It's because it has a lot of like add-ons.
Oh, I see. Okay, yan. Mahulog na ata siya, anak. Yan. Woo! Ayan. So, ang ganda niya, guys. And I love the color. Yeah. Okay, so open this one.
Okay. Bingo! Oh. I should get the app.
Yeah, you should get the app. Okay, ang ganda niya.
Okay, wow. These are like the hairbrush.
Oh. Naku, bagay ata yung sa buhok ko.
So you can blow dry your hair and like while combing.
Oh.
Here's another hairbrush.
So, i-search mo na lang kung ano yung use niya.
And then here's
Okay.
the other hair. I think this is to blow dry your hair.
Okay.
If I remember.
Ilalagay mo siya,
Yeah.
Aaralin ni Dexy kung saan yung mga usage ng mga parts na to. Sige. Alam din tong maliit na to.
Oh, oh.
Mm.
These are the
Oh, yan na. Nag-supply na. Sige, yan na lang gawin mo. Careful. Oh, yan yung pang-curl niya. Wow. Okay, put it there. Okay.
And then I think this is the other roller.
So, dalawang roller ang laman niya. At siguro pang small na curls at pang big na curls. Ano din yan? Another comb.
Don't tangle my hair, please. I bought one of those tangles. You know when you like blow go dry your hair at the salon.
Mm.
He just comes like that.
Oh, okay. Next. Yeah.
Another one.
Oh,
This
malaki.
one's for thicker curls.
Okay, and then the other one is small. Okay.
And this is the new one.
Wow. So unlike the Corel na cordless, ito hindi siya cordless pala tong ear wrap. Yeah. So hindi ito cordless. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I love the color too. Yeah, I love the color too. Yun lang, malaki lang yung box niya kasi marami pala siyang laman. Yan.
Oh, it's the comb because I got the limited edition one, right?
Oh, yes.
And
So,
it comes with a comb.
oh, okay. I think we have the comb like that dun sa Corel natin. Yeah. Okay. So, yan. Don't remove that one, babe. You can use that one. And then the other one is yung ano ata niya.
Yeah.
Yung manual. You have to register ata din yung kanyang warranty. Okay? So, ayan ang aming vlog for tonight for Dexy's gift. Tapos ang gift mo, Dexy, di ba? Yeah, this is the last gift na bubuksan ni Dexy. If meron pang mga gift ang mga other families tomorrow na siguro. Yan.
I have one gift for
Ooh, okay. Okay, enjoy your gift, Dexy. Okay. So, ayan, may mga pahabol pang regalo for the kids for Christmas 2023. It's from Alicia and Evan. Okay.
How small is this gift?
Yeah, maybe that one is so nice and so pretty. Wow.
You got so good at what? Kathy got what? Another one.
Oh, nice. Ooh, that's so fancy too. Okay, may I see, Dexy? Yeah. Okay. Oh, Fit Pro. Wow. That's so cute. Thank you, Alicia and Evan. Okay, that one is from Tamara. Yeah.
No, you open it. No, open that one so that because it's awesome.
Okay, para matapos na si ate. It's from Tamara. Thank you, Tamara. Okay. And, wow! Yan na yung mga gusto ni Dexy eh. Thank you, Tamara. It's so cute. And lip gloss. Wow, that's so nice.
I got the same. I got Kit Kat.
Okay, from Tamara.
I got nail polish.
Oh!
And I also got lip gloss.
Wow! Thank you guys for your sweet gift for the
Oh,
kids.
I need to open this one.
Okay, open from Alicia and Evan. Okay. Ah, close talaga din eyes niya. Ooh!
How is this so small?
Yeah, you see, ang ganda niyan sa bed mo. You will enjoy that one, yeah? Okay, open. Wow, that's nice nail polish, guys. I love the color. Mommy can use that too. Tinin. Okay. Okay, we oh, wow, it's a ball. Oh, you will put it on your wall, Dexa. Yeah. Yan, so ang cute, oh. LED small magic ball. Oh, nilalagay ata sa phone. Ayan, so tingnan niyo kung ano yung kanyang instruction. Thank you, Evan and Alicia, for the gift. Tamara. Thank you, Team Bibo. We love you guys. So, ayan, ang regalo ni Evan. Tuntua si Dexa. Ayan, that's regalo ni Evan and Alicia. That's so cute. Ayan. Yeah. That's so cute. Yeah, thank you guys. Ayan. Kapag ka?
What's that name?
O kapag ka ano din, pag nag-off yung phone mo. Oh, yeah. Sa mga concert. Yeah. Okay, that's nice. Thank you, guys.